Okay, I'm going to show a video how to remove the headrest on a 2016 BMW X3 F25 body. So I got the seat apart already. This is the driver's side seat. So you would have to start off by removing the rear panel, and you would have to unplug the sensor. I don't know what this is for. Heated, I'm not sure what this is. So you're gonna have to unplug this. Then you're popping off these caps. Then you're gonna take this retainer out. It just slides out. Then you press it and just lift it up. Just watch the wires so you don't rip it off. There you go. That's how you remove the headrest. And same thing for the passenger side.